My name is Gregory Butcher. I work for United States Forest Service International Programs, and I am in Uruguay visiting ranches and on the way back from the Grassland Alliance Encuentro that we had in Rio Grande do Sul in Brazil. We had a wonderful encuentro with more than 250 people attending. We had ranchers and conservationists all mixing together, learning how to preserve grasslands for the profit of the producers raising cattle, and also for the benefit of conservation. Our interest in the southern cone is because of the many shared species we have that spend the non-breeding season in southern South America and spend the breeding season in North America. We have many national grasslands as part of the U.S. Forest Service, and so we host cattle on those national grasslands, and also important aspect of biodiversity with migratory species. Here in Uruguay, we've been visiting several grasslands, and it's been very impressive to see the many grasslands that are left. We learned a lot about the kinds of grasslands that are needed for birds. Some birds like high grass, some birds like medium grass, and some birds like short grass. With traditional ranching, the short grass is quite ample, and so we don't have to do a lot to conserve that habitat, but there's a lot of interest in maintaining more medium grass and high grass for bird conservation. We also learned during this trip that there's a chance for grassland conservation even in the forested plantations. So only 50% of those areas are planted with forests, and so there's opportunities to do conservation in those areas as well. We also learned about different pesticides that are used as part of the cattle operations, which might have negative effects on the food supply for the birds. And so I think there's many new aspects that we need to understand what might be producing threats to birds and what solutions might be to maintain healthy bird populations into the future.